Hi everyone, my name is Stefanie. This is my dog Ralphie, and this is Misty, my tiny wagon. For those of you who are new to my channel, I built Misty during the pandemic, and it was a way to stay sane during all the social distancing that was going on. If you haven't watched a video about the build and the tour, there will be a link at the end of this video. For now, we have arrived in beautiful Arizona. I will be a snowbird for the very first time, and I will share my experiences with you with weekly updates for the next few months. So please join me on my adventures in this video. It starts all back at the beginning when I left Portland to head out to Arizona. Enjoy. It finally stopped raining and I can actually load up. I'm heading out to Arizona tomorrow. I can't wait to get out of this rain and cold. It's too much. Here I'm loading up with food and water. I got 10 gallons of fresh water that is stored under my sink. Ralph. And it definitely was time to reorganize the back of my truck. Pushed a bunch of laundry, including my bedding, and reorganized my closet and my pantry. There is always so much to do before you head out on a long trip. The prep work can feel overwhelming at times, but I've learned to do the best I can, and whatever is not done will be done later. For example, I ran out of time to do a few maintenance things that were on my list with Misty, or a couple of repairs that I wanted to do, and I'll just do it out there in the desert. And every single time when I headed out or on a longer trip into the unknown, there was a point where I asked myself what the heck I am doing. There were always a few fears and self-doubt coming up to the surface. And that's when I usually focus on the tasks to be done, and those feelings disappear fairly quickly because there's no way I'm not going on that trip. So I keep myself busy enough that there is no time to worry. A stomach bug delayed my departure several days, but it was okay. I didn't have to load up in the pouring down rain, and the sun came out on the day I was leaving. Perfect. Gotta have a nice bed. We are now several minutes away from departure, and I'm getting really nervous. One of the last things that go into the truck is a stepping stool. I've developed a routine that works really well for me before heading out. All right, we're all packed. Sun is shining. I just need to hook up Misty, and we are on the road. I'm using an aftermarket backup camera that I'm using on my phone through an app, and it works really well for me. It makes hitching up very easy. Connecting the chains and power. Packed up my drill and the jacks, and on the road we are. Arizona, here we come. I hope we'll have a safe trip. But wait, don't forget your camera. Bye-bye, Portland. And as I'm leaving, I'm already in a traffic jam. That's Portland.
See the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.